Hello everyone, welcome back to Galaxy Station. Today I am unboxing the Sony ULT Field 5, Sony's latest portable Bluetooth speaker, and it's a real beast. Right out of the box, the build quality feels solid and premium. It's a bit chunky, but that's because it packs some serious power inside. The main highlight of the ULT Power Sound is Sony's new bass system with two ULT modes. You can switch between ULT 1 for deep rich bass and ULT2 for extreme punch when you want the extra boom. It's also IP67 rated, so it's fully waterproof and dustproof, perfect for outdoor use or poolside parties. The lightning around the body syncs beautifully with the music, creating the perfect vibe for any occasion. Battery life up to 25 hours of playtime, and just a 10-minute charge can give you around 2 hours of playback. I picked this speaker because I wanted clear sound, strong bass, and rugged design, something that looks cool and lasts long. If you want to check it out, I have added the Amazon buying link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech videos. This is Galaxy Station, and see you in the next one.